If you're seeing Steam error 988, that usually means Steam is having a server communication failure and the client can't fetch the content or account data it needs. This often shows up when you try to open the Steam store or view profile pages inside the Steam client. And the good news is that in many cases it's temporary and fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best fixes step by step, from simple refreshes to deeper network and browser resets. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. First, let's start with the easiest solution. Since Steam error 988 is sometimes just a temporary backend hiccup, wait about 5 minutes and then refresh the page inside Steam by pressing F5. This gives Steam a moment to reconnect and pull the data again. If the error was caused by a short server issue, this alone may solve it right away. Next, check whether Steam itself is having service problems. Open your browser and visit steamstat.us. Look specifically at the Web API and Store services. If you see high latency, partial outages, or a service interruption, then the problem may not be on your PC at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until Steam servers stabilize, then try again later. This step is important because no local fix will fully help if Steam is experiencing a platform-wide issue. If the servers look fine, the next thing to try is toggling Steam offline and back online. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, and choose Go Offline. Wait a moment while the client disconnects. Then go back to Steam and select Go Online. This forces Steam to reset its connection to the Steam network, which can clear out temporary session problems that trigger error 988. After switching back online, give Steam a moment to reconnect fully, then try opening the store or profile page again. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes for this type of issue, deleting Steam's web browser data. This is especially useful for the 90 series errors, where Steam's internal browser gets stuck or corrupted. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings. Then click In-Game. On that page, find the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it, then confirm the action when prompted. After that, restart Steam completely so the changes can take effect. Once Steam reopens, test the page again and see if the error is gone. If you're still getting error 988, the final fix is to flush your DNS and reset your network stack. Sometimes your PC is trying to use a DNS server that's slow, overloaded, or no longer responding properly, and that can interfere with Steam's ability to connect to its services. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type nets winsock reset and press Enter. These commands clear out old network resolution data and reset Windows network socket settings. Once both commands are complete, restart your PC so everything reloads cleanly. After your computer starts back up, open Steam again and check whether the error is still there. In most cases, one of these fixes will restore the connection and stop error 988 from appearing. If it's still happening, the issue may be deeper on Steam's side or related to your internet connection, but these steps solve the problem for most users. If this video helped you fix Steam error 988, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming error fixes, Steam tutorials, and PC support tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.